All right, guys. Today is day 3 of testing this this feature, self-driving feature in the Tesla. Today is raining. It's sprinkling now. It was raining pretty hard a couple minutes ago, but I am somewhere in Oak Park, Sacramento, and I'm just gonna ask the car to take me home. We'll see if it can do that. We'll see if it can handle these weather conditions, and yeah, we'll see. Alright, so currently I am stopped here. I'm going to click take me home. Okay. Okay. Self-driving may be degraded. Okay. Not sure what that means. Self-driving may be degraded. Poor weather detected. Okay. Slow down for a little speed bump. Good job. Oh, no speed bump there. Speed bump here. Yep. Stop sign coming up. Let's see. Stops for the speed bump a little prematurely, and when it goes through the speed bump, it doesn't slow down that much. Well, this one was pretty good. I wonder if at any point Teslas will detect that there's other Teslas on the road. As you can see here, you know, it does detect that the cars are there, but this is an interesting situation. Okay, handles it pretty well. We'll choose. What was that? Pay attention to the road. I am paying attention to the road. Let's see how it handles merging into the freeway with other cars. Speeding up pretty good. All right. it to change lanes, but it got it done. Gotta say, it's taking these weather conditions pretty well. It should start changing lanes to the right-hand side. There is a car behind us. It's not on the screen just yet. Oh, not sure why it's green. Sorry, it was a blue car. Not sure why it was a blue car. Vehicle. I'm curious to see how it's going to take this exit here, because you do have to slow down pretty significantly to turn safely, and it does a pretty good job. There's 2 lanes coming up. You should be able to detect them and choose one. Okay. So far, so good. Alright, now this one is a little tricky. I usually creep a little bit to see if there's anybody coming. The car did that itself. Wow, that's pretty impressive. It went on a red, but it was a legal turn. Okay, I think I'm going to take it from here because it's going to take me a different way. Yeah, I'll take it from here. All right. Well, as you can see, it got me home safely home. Nonetheless, I think that one of my complaints with Tesla is that as efficient as it is, it doesn't seem to understand or to save where people live, or it tends to take you to the destination regardless of there being a better way to get there. So what I mean by that, let me show you. So for example, this car lives in this side of the apartment complex. There's an entire apartment complex here, and it lives on this side. I park here, every day. It'd be nice for Tesla to recognize that and for it to save it. When I ask for the car to take me home, it takes me to, for some reason, it takes me to as close as possible to the, these apartments. When I guess it's trying to take me specifically to, for example, this place, this landmark. When obviously I don't live in the middle of the apartment complex. I wish that it could save where you typically park so that it understands this is where I go. This is where we always go. Yeah, and I've noticed that, it could be a different place. For example, it could be Let's go. It could be here. It could be like Cordy Brothers. If I go to Cordy Brothers, it will take me. It will take me a different way. But you see, it wants to take me directly to the door, right? Like, it doesn't want to take me to a parking spot. It wants to take me directly to the door. And I guess I'm just nitpicking here. People usually don't go to the door of something. They go in to park their cars themselves, right? So I think the navigation system here could be a little better. It has definitely taken me different routes for no reason sometimes. I'm not sure why, but yeah, Tesla's navigation system can be a little weird. I definitely appreciate being able to see in real time where most of the traffic is and how bad it is. It's great. I just wish that it was a little more, I don't know, efficient. My only complaint is this one, honestly. This is the only one that I can think about at the moment, is the car doesn't, when I ask for it to take me home, it always takes me to the closest as it can to the leasing office, when that is not where I live. I wish it could save this part as a parking spot, and that it would take me, instead of going here, entering through here, it just enters through this way, the only way that I go every single time to get to my apartment. So just a little complaint, but overall today was successful. Great. It did a great job, bringing me home. Even in these weather conditions, I would assume that the cameras wouldn't be able to see as much, but something tells me that the car isn't just using the cameras, it's also using the data. It knows the roads, it knows the highway that it's in, it knows, it knows where it's at and what it may look like, just from all the data it's been collecting, and that it's actively collecting from just drivers out on the road. So yeah, I think pretty good system so far. I'm liking it. Let me know what you guys think.